قراءة الفاتحة وقراءة الفاتحة إيجو أقرأت فاتحة إيجو أقرأت فاتحة فرد أوكي وبوب إيجو أقرأت فاتحة فرد أوكي وبوب والقيام لها إكويوتون بنا غانا فرد أوكي وبوب والقيام لها إكويوتون بنا غانا فرد أوكي وبوب والركوع فرد إيمي ركوع أوكي وبوب والرفع منه إما لتشتنى ركوع فرد أوكي وبوب إما لتشتنى ركوع.
Thank you, Imam. You see, I love Islam. Islam is full of humanity, humility, decency, compassion, honesty, and a lot more good. You know, the person that sent, I was discussing with somebody. The person was like, look at the way the mom is sitting on a table and he's sitting the children on the floor. I said, no, this is a mosque. You understand? And look at the chair that the mom is sitting with. It's common plastic chair. You know, common plastic chair. It's just ordinary plastic chair. When you go into the mosque is a natural place. It's such a natural place. There's no golden chair, there's no hierarchy, there's no seat in the front, there's no decoration. Look, you can see, go back and look at the video. It's all matted. You understand? It's all mat. That is inside the mosque. And the imam was teaching the children Quran in his own dialect. That is Igbo language that imam is teaching the children from. And I will want you to watch this also. This is in America. This is another mosque in America. Watch.
As you see here with me today, we all met in this mosque. We are from Nigeria, but at different occasions, I met each one of them here. The introduction started from here. The gentleman over there, the wife.
Thank you, Brother Lucky. That is my brother Lucky. All of you know Brother Lucky here, but this is a mosque in America. There is no chair in the mosque. There's no big man. There's no this you sit here, that you sit here. There's no golden chair. When you enter the mosque, it's natural thing. You go there, you put yourself on the floor. You kneel down, you sit down, you lie down. There's no ceremony there. It's only when you enter there. It's all about humility, humanity, decency. You see, when you look at the video, when you go inside the mosque, it's a different thing. The same way when you go to the mosque in UK, it's a different thing. There's no chair. The highest you can see there is bench. Maybe for some people that, maybe they have knee pain, they cannot kneel or something like that. There is a bench, wooden bench. There's no ceremony there. There's no decoration. So, Islam is natural. And I love my newfound religion. Thank you for listening. See you on my next video.